everyone, this is Upma and you're watching TalkNova. Welcome back to another episode of TalkNova. Today in this video, I'm going to talk about best channel name. Lots of people asking me, ma'am, what's channel I want to follow? And according to my level, please suggest me the channel. So I want to tell you in this video, channel name and the level according to your level which is suits for you, so don't miss the end. Without wasting time, let's break the ice. The first is beginner students. I want to discuss about first a beginner students who initiate their journey and who don't know how to start and when to start and which thing which I want to listen in first in initial days of my spoken English journey. So I want to tell you one thing, which is first you have to go with conversation, easy daily life conversation. You can go and search on YouTube. The next is I always used to follow Mr. English channel, and I already recommend to my learners too. If you are struggling to speak in initial days, there's a AI generated podcast. You can go and check on YouTube. Mr. English channel in YouTube, where you found a podcast related to a person who is AI generated, and you can easily practice tenses over there. So that is one thing I want to tell you. Next, for which I follow nowadays, Jay Shetty. Can go and watch their podcast if you are intermediate level and you're feeling stuck. I'm not improving. So while listening Jay Shetty conversation, they speak very fast, so try to little bit conscious, active listening. And whenever he said and shared any words, try to jot it down. And after was complete that session, go and check on ChatGPT and try to practice as much as you can. Try to implement their tone, their way of speaking. Try to implement that. And I also followed Chair Seti podcast. I try to do the sadwin practice, listening practice with her solo videos. Next is I follow Buddhism. I really love the way he talks, very slow, calm, composed. The knowledge he shared on this platforms, it was quite amazing. That's why I'm follow Buddhism. You can go and check that channel also. If you are intermediate level speaker, then you know about. Don't do this practice when you are a beginner level student because you're not able to understand properly. So according to your level, listen the content which is most important. And if you listen conversation video with anyone, Sunita ma'am, Ram sir, Rajini ma'am, anyone, try to stick with one person and implement their voice. Whatever you listen, try to implement them in your way of speaking, which is most important when it comes to hmm, describe anything. So be stick with one person. The third number is I follow. If you are intermediate level, so go and check Speak English Confident by Andy Murray. Is a she's American, Australian American. I don't recall that properly, but yeah, she speaks very slow, confidently, clearly. Though is a native speaker, but it still speaks very slow. And now I'm here to correct your one mistake, which is many people think speaking fast is a fluency. That's not correct. Sometimes when you are speaking fast, you're not able to get your own voice, what you're speaking after speaking. So try to speak slow, but your idea should be clear, concise, impressive. That's what means a communication. If somebody don't understand you, doesn't understand you, what means to say these kind of words and speak faster. So don't speak slower down your piece, but your message should be clear, concise manner. Okay. The next thing I want to share is start watching cartoon. If you are beginner, go on YouTube and search a small kids cartoon animation, whatever you like it. In beginning days, you should go and watch cartoons, small conversation. As I suggested, Mr. English channel, you can go and practice. And once you upgrade yourself, once you complete your beginner level and you up to going to intermediate level, so then start doing conversation, practice with people, and start recording your own voice, which is most important when it comes to learning any language. And in recording you show your voice module, your pronunciation, intonation, how I perform, how you speak. So that is most important when it comes to learning anything, any language, which is Hindi. How we learn Hindi? Through listening people, through we get environment where we speak. So we learn English by listening, by creating videos, by learning through videos, by talking with people. Speaking comes by speaking again. The next I want to follow nowadays, which is Nand Kumar sir video, Nand Kumar Gopalan sir video, which is really remarkable, impactful, I think, effect in my life, and I learned lot of things from Nand Kumar sir videos. If you like that, so you can go. If you want to learn lot of tricks, psychology behind the learning English, you can go and check Nand Kumar Gopala sir videos. He we made lots of videos with YouTuber Shoni, Priyanka Kataria ma'am. You can go and check on YouTube. So that's what I do nowadays in order to improve my English. So these are the channel. If you are intermediate or a beginner students, beginner first they do is try to make small sentences. Go and watch Mr. English podcast, cartoon related to English. The next, animation. Don't go for a movie. Sometimes people are stuck, they start doing a lot of things in a beginner phase. No, completely wrong. It's an ocean language, we have to little bit patient. And if you have three things, you will be pro in English. Definitely, to be honest, I'm telling you, if you have three things, you will be pro. The first is confidence, motivation, time. Three things is most important. If you lose your patience, if you don't have time, you will not learn English anymore. You have to devote your extra time to learning this language if you have burning desire, because that's not our mother tongue. We can learn easily and thoroughly by getting environment, by listening to people. We have to create our own space where we practice spoken English. That's what I'm telling you, and don't wait for perfect time. Start today onwards, and until unless you start your spoken journey, you will never will be fluent in English. Listening comes by listening. If you are listening something attentively, you are a good listener. Speaking comes by speaking. Never forget that. And I want to share one information with you. If anyone beginner watch this video, I launched my beginner spoken batch. It's a 9 a.m. to 9:30. If you are truly desire want to speak English scratch, you should join my WhatsApp group and DM me. Link in a description box. Bye bye.